What's up, guys? It's Kane here with Trifecta Outdoors. I'm currently editing the video that you guys are about to watch, and I realized I forgot to film an intro. Crazy mornings, sometimes when you're out hunting, the action just starts right away, and this was one of those days. I wasn't even set up in my tree stand and have my gun loaded, and there was already deer coming out, so forgot to film an intro, but here it is. This video is from my first day of the Pennsylvania rifle season. Had a pretty exciting day, saw lots of deer, shot a couple deer, which you'll get to see. I just want to thank everybody for watching. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and stay tuned because hopefully we'll have more content coming up soon. It's one down. I think this one's a little buck. Just had a good buck walk through. I couldn't get a shot on him. There's a deer down there because it's too thick. Okay, here it comes. I just hit that buck high. I went to go get a follow-up shot and I missed. He got up and ran down to the guys down below me and they shot him, so he at least died. But I don't know how I didn't get a good shot on it. Kind of a little bit sick about it, but I'm glad he died. Like, I was afraid he was just gonna run off with a bullet hole in him. But he didn't make it very far, like maybe 100 yards, and he got shot. So that's good. sneak by behind me, but I could hear him crunching in the leaves. Got turned around. That doe saw me because I made some noises. Spinning around to get adjusted for him. But yeah, that's Dudo down. First thing on first day. If I'd have killed that buck, which, oh well, it is what it is, I'd be tagged out, but now I still have my buck tag left. So we're gonna sit out here for a little bit longer and then see what happens. I think my uncle shot one. I don't know what it is. He forgot his phone today, but there's at least 3 down within our family today. So that's a good day, good day. Tracking the second doe I hit. That's some of the blood. There she is. Pretty good sized doe. Good shot. Holy crap, how many are there?